Good evening, girls. We're going to do multiple choice questions from Module 1 today. Okay, so not too many questions. Seems pretty easy. Just to give you an idea about the multiple choice section, they made some changes this year. One change is that there's going to be 20 questions now. And another change is that each question is not the same mark. So one question might be 2 marks, one question might be 3, and a different question could be 4. However they decide to do it, the total is still should be 60 points that you get from multiple choice. Okay? So more of an idea here. I'm not sure how they're going to do it. It depends on them. I think maybe something like the last one. They can give you 9 questions that are 2 points. 6 questions that are 3 points, and 5 questions that are 4 points, and it will equal 60. But it just depends on the wizarda. I'm not sure what kind of option they want to make. They could give you 2 questions that are 2 points, and 12 questions that are 3 points, and 4 questions that are 4 points. It can be any kind of combination. So just be prepared to make sure you always are looking for the easy questions to complete first and save the things that are hard for last. Okay? So we're going to start with lesson 1.4. This is question number 3. As I go along in the question, this section is for you to check how you're doing with the question. So did you get it correct? Do you need more practice? Or is this something you need to study the lesson all the way over again to help you make sure you're studying the things that you only need to study and not everything? So kind of keep track as you're listening to me go over each question, which thing that you need to practice more and the thing you need to study again. Okay, so question number 3, lesson 1.4 is about like terms. So remember when we talk about like terms, it has to be something with the same variable. It has to be something with the same exponent. And when we write the final answer, the order is important. So we want to put the order from ABC order, how it is by the alphabet. Or if it has an exponent, something with exponent should be in the beginning of the answer, and something without exponent should be at the end. But the main thing here is to remember like terms has the same variable and has the same exponent. This is something we did in class. So remember, we put everything in a group. So this one, we have 14, not red color. Let's get a different color. We have 14 pomegranates, 8 lemons, and 5 avocados. And then we have -6 pomegranates, 4 avocados, and -2 lemons. So remember, we have to put everything that is the same variable together in the same group. So in this group, we have both peas. How did we get to +8? Anybody remember how to do how we got to +8?
Because the 14p minus 6p, because 6p is negative.
Good. Correct. So we have 14, subtract 6 will give us a +8. Do not forget the variable here. The variable is important. You must make sure you write the variable. Also, you have here 8. L subtract 2L is going to give you +6. L. L is for lemons. And then you have 5 avocados plus 4 avocados is going to give you 9 avocados. Remember, we cannot add unlike terms. So these are P's, these are L's, and these are A's. We cannot put them in a group. This is the final answer. Keep every variable separate is the idea for this question. Here we did it in class. What do you remember? Are these like or unlike?
Unlike terms.
Unlike term.
How do you know they're unlike?
Different variables.
Because the x and y are not the same variable. They do
Good.
not have the same variable.
So we have different letters here. Then the next one, we have positive 3x and negative 1x. Like or unlike?
Like.
Like.
How do you know they're like?
Because they have the same variable.
Same variables, same letter. The next one, we have positive x and positive 4xy.
Unlike.
Unlike. Why?
Because different letters.
Different letters. Okay. The next one, we have positive 2x squared y cubed and positive 2x squared and y to the 5th power. Like or unlike?
Unlike.
Okay, why unlike?
Because the exponents are not the same.
Different exponents. So if you see here, this exponent is positive 3 and this exponent is positive 5. Remember to be like, same variable, same exponent. What about the last one? 5x squared y cubed and negative 4x squared y cubed.
Like term.
Like term.
Like. You have the letters and the powers are the same. So remember, we cannot add unlike terms. We can only add things that are like. So you have to make sure that you are paying attention and open your eyes to the variable and to the exponent. Only the things that are like you can add and subtract. So we did this lesson in class. Number 1, it was 4w subtract 1w. Like or unlike?
Like.
Can you add or subtract? Yes.
Subtract, yes.
So what's your answer? 4w subtract 1w.
Positive
3w.
Correct. The next one, who knows the expression?
S.
Yeah, so what? This is S.
1s plus
4.
2s plus
4s.
1s plus 2s plus 5s.
5s.
Like or unlike?
Like terms.
Like. Can you add them?
Yes, we can.
Yes. So we're going to take this 1 plus 2 plus 5. How many?
Positive 8s.
Okay. The next one, gonna call this H. So we have 1H plus 9 subtract 4 plus 5H. We can only add the things that are like. So 1H plus 5H. How many H's we get?
Positive 6H.
Positive 6H. Then we have this one in the middle. Positive 9 subtract 4.
Positive 5.
Positive 5. So the final answer, positive 6H plus 5. 6H and 5, like or unlike terms?
Unlike.
Unlike. You cannot add unlike terms. This is the answer, 6H plus 5. You have to stop here. You cannot add again and write 11H. This is not correct. This one has H. This one does not. You cannot add unlike terms. You have to stop here. Okay? The next one. We have 1M plus 1M plus 3C plus 1M. So 1M plus 1M plus 1M.
3M.
Positive
I don't
3.
know.
Positive 3M.
Positive 3M. So we have 3 mouse. So we get positive 3M. Anything to put with the cookies?
No, miss.
No.
No. So we get 3C plus 3M. Like or unlike?
Unlike.
Unlike.
Unlike. One variable is C, one variable is M. We cannot add unlike terms. Everybody have that idea?
Yes.
Yes.
So this one, we did it in class. Remember, another way you can make it, we put it in groups. And then we separated them from here. Remember, the sign has to go on the left side of the number. So this is negative 2x. This is positive 3. This is negative 4x. This is positive 5. This is negative 4x squared. This is positive 11, negative 15x, positive 2x squared, and negative 15. They have to go in the group. What goes in the x squared group?
Negative 2x.
Okay, start from the first here. What's the first one you see? Negative
2x.
4x. What's the next one you see?
Positive 2x.
Positive 2x. Anything else for x squared?
No, miss.
Negative 2.
No?
No,
Let's
no,
leave
no.
some out. All right, now we want things with x. So what's the first one in the line?
Negative 2x.
Okay,
Negative 4x.
Negative 4x.
Negative 4x.
negative 4x,
Negative
Negative
15x.
15x.
negative 15x. Anything else for the x?
No, miss.
No.
No.
What do we have for the constant?
Positive 3.
Positive 3. Positive 5.
Positive
Positive 11.
Negative
Negative 15.
15.
Good. So once you put them in a group, you can add them. Negative 4 plus 2.
Positive.
Positive 4.
Negative
Positive 4x
2x
squared.
squared.
Negative 2x squared. This one, negative 2x, negative 2, subtract 4, subtract 15.
Negative
This is
21.
what goes in the calculator, right?
Negative 21x.
Negative 21x. The last one, 3 plus 5 plus 11, subtract 15.
34x.
I don't know. What'd you say? Everybody gets positive 4?
Yes.
So here, final answer, the simplified answer, negative 2x squared, subtract 21x plus 4. What is the thing we're trying to do? We want to take this long line of numbers and we want to make it something smaller. something shorter, something easier. So that's the purpose of combining like terms and cleaning up. We take something very long, make it into something shorter. Can you add this one again?
No.
You cannot add this one again. This one has x squared, and this one has x, and this one has nothing. So this is the answer. Cannot do anything else. You have to stop here. Okay? So this one, positive 14a plus 18a, like or unlike?
Like.
Like. So we can add them. We would do in the calculator 14 add 18.
32a.
I don't know it.
Positive 32a.
Positive 32a.
Good. So positive 32a. Try another one. This one. In the line, you have anything else with b squared?
No.
No.
Mm,
So the next number, we have positive 9b. You have anything else with b?
yes. Negative
Yes.
3b.
So this is the thing that you should add, the ones that are like. This one has b, this one has b. We can add or subtract. So what do we put in the calculator? 9 subtract
9 minus
3.
3 equals 6b. Positive 6b.
Positive 6b.
Good. So this is the final answer. 4b squared plus 6b. Do not add it again. This one is b squared. This one is b. They are not like terms. You can only add the things that are like. What about this one? We have b squared, we have b, and we have nothing.
B.
You can add them. 13b plus 13.
D.
D.
Yeah, this one is not like terms. This one b squared, this one is b, and this one is nothing. We call this simplified.
Simplified.
So remember, this is a multiple choice question in your exam. It's going to be something like this. It's going to have the A, the B, the C, and maybe D is going to be simplified. You only choose simplified when there's nothing to clean up, there's nothing to add or subtract. Everything does not have another group to be in. This one is B squared. This one is B, and this one has nothing. There would be in 3 groups. You cannot add or subtract them because it's not the same variable and not the same exponent. Fine, they both have b, but this one has positive 2 for the exponent. This one has positive 1 for the exponent. Everybody understand about simplified?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. It means you can't clean up, you can't add, subtract. The answer is already complete. So here, I put this in your workbook. Another example how you can make it in the exam. Circle the things that are like. Then make sure you add them or subtract them. So here, let's do an example together. Starting with this. I have positive 3x. What else should be with positive 3x?
Nothing.
Nothing else in the line have x?
No, 2x.
I don't know it.
Positive 2x.
Okay, so positive 2x. Anything else with x? Don't think
No.
so. Don't think so. 3x plus 2x makes what?
5x. Positive
I don't
5x.
know.
5x.
Positive 5x. Change the color. Now I have negative 6y. Anything in the group with negative 6y?
Yes,
Positive
positive
6y.
6y. Yes, positive 6y.
Okay, so what's negative 6y plus 6y?
0.
Okay, so that's going to be 0. So, sorry. We can delete this one. We don't need it. It's 0 now. So delete. Then we have negative 6 with what?
Positive 2.
Positive 2.
2. What's negative 6 plus 2?
Negative 4. Negative 4.
Negative 4. Oh, sorry guys. Should be a negative 4 there. All right. So this one should be negative 4. You have the idea?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's try again.
Yes.
See the line? Okay, this is what I have. Positive 3x squared. Anything else with x squared?
No.
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 No. So we start with 3x squared. Next one, check for the x. Positive 8x.
Positive 3x.
Positive
3x.
3x.
Positive 3x. Anything else for the x?
No.
No.
No. So 8x plus 3x.
Positive 11x.
Positive 11x. Now for the y. You have positive 2y. What else?
Negative 9y.
Negative 9y and
Negative
2
9y and negative 2y. So 2, subtract 9, subtract 2.
Negative 5 and negative 9y.
Negative 9y. Oof, I got a lot of typos today. Sorry, guys. I thought I checked this PowerPoint. So, should be positive 3 here. In your exam, make sure you bring a colored pen so that you can help yourself see if you get a long one like this, right? So this one, we have positive 3x squared. Anything else for this group?
No. No.
Okay, so 3x squared. What am I putting next?
The x. Positive 2x.
Okay, positive 2x. Anything else for this group?
No. No.
Okay, so positive 2x. What's next?
The y. Negative 9y and positive 6y.
Negative 9y, positive 6y. What did we get?
Positive 3y. Negative,
Sure?
negative. Negative.
Negative
3y.
3y. What's next?
-1 and -3.
Okay. -1, subtract 3.
-4.
-4. I hope my answer is correct this time. Yes, it is. Somebody else want to try? I don't know. You guys can go. Another person can start. Or the same person if nobody else hops off the mic.
A positive 5y and negative
First, we
3y.
start with the.
Positive 2 x squared.
Okay. Anything with this group?
Yes.
What?
Negative 2 x squared.
Okay. 2, subtract 2.
0.
Okay, so this one have to delete because it's 0. Okay, so 0. What's next in the line?
Negative 3x.
So negative 3x. Anything with negative 3x?
No.
No.
No. What's next in the line?
Positive
Positive
5y and
5y
negative
and
3y.
negative
Positive
3y.
5y and negative 3y. 5y, subtract 3y.
Positive 2y.
Positive 2y. And last, we just have positive 10. Anything with positive 10?
No.
No. Okay,
Miss, I have question.
go ahead.
Miss, why you delete the 2x squared?
Because it's 2 subtract 2 makes 0. It was 2 subtract 2.
And the squared we counted or no?
You don't count it. It's not anything squared. It's like it's the variable. We're not touching that one. We only focused on the coefficient.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you do 2 subtract 2 and get 0, okay, we don't need 0. Let's try this one. Starting with positive 4x squared.
And negative 3x squared.
Equals 3x squared. You sure? 4x squared, subtract 3x squared.
Positive 1x squared.
Okay, so positive 1x squared. What do we have next?
The y.
The y?
I don't know. Y or x?
What did we do the last time?
The x first.
Okay, so what?
Positive 2x.
Positive 2x. We have to go ABC order. We have x and then we have y. Anything in this line with x?
No. No.
Okay, so positive 2x. What's next in the line?
Positive 9y and negative 5y.
Positive 9y and negative 5y. So 9 subtract 5.
Positive 4y.
Positive 4y. Last one. Negative 5 subtract 3.
Negative 2.
Negative 5 subtract 3.
Negative 8.
Negative 8.
Oh, negative. Okay.
Right? So we got that. In the exam, they're going to write the positive 1? No. So x squared plus 2x, subtract 4y, subtract 8.
Miss,
Last
but if I write the 1, it's fine.
It's multiple choice question. So if you write it on your paper, fine, but do not look for it in the choice. The wizard is not going to write it. They're going to put x squared only. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So starting here with positive 3x squared. Anything with positive 3x squared? Anything else?
No.
Okay. So positive 3x squared. What's next?
Positive 3x.
Positive 3x. Anything with positive 3?
No.
X? No. Oh, wrong color. What's next in the line?
Y.
So which one?
Positive
7y.
7y.
Positive 7y,
Negative 2y.
negative 2y.
Negative 1y.
Good, negative 1y. You can write a 1 here. So 7, subtract 2, subtract 1.
Four.
Don't know it.
Positive 4.
4.
I have to put positive here. 4y. And
I will put positive 2.
positive 2. خلاص. It's just this. Okay, so this is the one in your workbook. Try it yourself. If you have any question, you can ask me about it on Monday or at the end of the lesson or something, okay? But I didn't want to do these questions. I want you to try these yourself. Make it the same way I just showed you with the boxes. Only the things that are like, you can add them.
Miss,
Yes.
this the exponent, the 3 and the 2, we add it or we keep it?
Are they the same?
No?
No. So you keep it.
Okay.
Okay. This one has 3. This one has 2. You cannot add. Keep it. So try it and let me know. This one also some that they can give you. Try them. Let me know. Okay, so we're finished with question 3. I think it's going to be a medium question, 3 points. We'll see. But my vote is that this one is a medium, not easy, not hard, just medium. So 3 marks. Make sure you write if you got this, or you need to practice, or you need to study it again. Okay? The next one is lesson 1.1. It's question number 5. So multiple choice question number 5. This one is also coming in the writing section. So they're going to give you one question in the multiple choice about this order of operations, and then you have one question in the writing about order of operation. Remember the order of operations. We start with parentheses or the brackets. Then we do everything with exponent. Then we do multiply, divide. We must start from the left side and go to the right side. And the last thing we do is add or subtract. So see it here in this line. Make the parentheses, make the exponent, make the multiply, make the divide, then you make add. It have to be in this order. You can't do it in any order you want. So for the multiple choice, it is a very easy question, but in the writing, you have to make sure you show as many steps as you can so that you can take the most marks. Someone had a question about order of operations?
No.
No.
Okay. So this one, we did it in class. Just to remind you, you have to check from your list. In the line, do you have anything with parentheses?
No.
No, nothing with parentheses. So we are finished
We
with
have-
P. We go to exponent. You have any exponent?
Yes.
Positive 8 squared.
Positive 8 squared. So you put positive 8 squared in the calculator. It will
Positive
give you
64.
64.
positive 64. So now we in this line. We have any more exponents in this line?
No.
No.
No. So we finish with exponents. Now we move to multiply or divide, but we have to start from the left side. So we have to start
Why?
from the left and read to the right. This subtract, this add, this subtract. This one is what?
Multiply.
Multiply. So 7 multiply, or negative 7 multiply positive 11.
Negative
you-
77.
Good, negative 77. Let me get my highlighter here. Okay, so that was for the exponent. Negative 7 multiply 11 give you negative 77. Anything else in this line for the multiply or divide?
No.
No. So you are finished with multiply and you are finished with divide. Now you have to look for the add and subtract. We starting in the left side. This the left. We are working our way to the right. So this one I have orange is the first thing in the left side. So we have to make this one. 20 subtract 7. Give you positive
13.
13. The positive 64, you keep it down. The negative 77, you keep it down. And then you repeat again. What's next in the line? Add. So 13, add 64.
Positive 77.
You get positive 77. This negative 77, you keep it down. Now, final answer. 77, subtract 77, make
0.
0. So, for the multiple choice, you don't have to make all of these steps. But in the writing, you must do it. Understand?
Yes.
As many steps as you can make. If you can make every line, think of it like this: 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, and 1 mark. Every line should be 1. Okay? Try another one with the fraction. We're starting with
Parentheses.
parentheses. Do you have parentheses?
Yes.
Yes. So we have to make the parentheses. In the fraction, we start in the top of the fraction. So we'll do 9 plus 5. Give you what?
Positive 9.
4 plus 5, positive 9. The square, you keep it touching your parentheses. You cannot move it. Only you're doing what is inside. You cannot move this exponent. Okay? I also did the one here in the bottom. 7 subtract 4 give you what?
Positive 3.
Positive 3. So I did this one and I did this one. Any more parentheses? This
Yes.
parentheses is multiply. We're looking for parentheses with add or subtract or something inside. So anything
Yes.
else inside?
No.
No. We finished with parentheses. We have an exponent?
Yes.
Yes. So we have to do this exponent. Keep the parentheses. Keep it same when you put it in the calculator. It will give you positive 81. Now, you have any more exponents?
No.
No.
The 3 and the parentheses 3.
This
Not
parentheses,
exponent.
not exponent. So now we check for multiply or divide.
Multiply.
3 multiplied by
Divide
3.
3 multiply
Good.
3.
So this one here in the bottom, it is multiply. 3 multiplied by 3 makes positive
9.
9.
9.
Any more to multiply?
No.
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 Do we have anything
Dividing.
divide?
Yes.
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 So
Equal.
make this divide. You get positive 9. So how are they going to mark it? This one multiple choice, okay? I'll tell you the writing later, sorry. This one longer, right?
Yes.
We have to start in the parentheses. This one, the braces. It's like a bigger parentheses. So we have to start everything inside of here first. Inside the brace, you have parentheses. So you have to make this one. 3 subtract 2, give you what answer?
Positive 1.
Okay, so we get positive 1. Wrong color, sorry. So we get positive 1. We have anything else parentheses in here? No. So now we go to exponent. We have exponents?
Yes.
Yes. So 1 to the power of 2
Is
gives you positive
1.
1. Here, inside this parentheses brackets, you have anything, any more exponents?
No.
No. So we did the parentheses, we did the exponent. Inside here, any multiply or divide?
No.
No. So there's no multiply, there's no divide. Any add or subtract?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so then we add. We get positive 11.
11.
Once we finish this big bracket, we have to start again. Do you have any parentheses?
Yes.
Yes.
The parentheses have to have more than one thing inside. This parentheses have more than one thing inside?
No.
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 No. So we finish parentheses. In this line, you have any exponents?
No.
No. You have any multiply?
No.
No. You have any divide?
No.
No. You have add or subtract?
Yes.
Yes.
We must start from the left to the right. So which one is first, subtract or add?
Subtract.
First one, we see with our eyes is subtract. So we get positive 4. Then we add 6. We get positive 10. Only this. So these are the ones they gave you in the multiple choice. You know what the good thing is about this question in the multiple choice? Anybody know something good about it?
No.
Do it in calculator.
I know something great about it. You can
What?
use your calculator.
Yes, I see.
Okay, use the calculator. You shouldn't
Miss,
bring this
will
wrong
be
at
in
all.
the writing?
This one and the multiple choice question. Yes, it is coming in the writing too. But first, the multiple choice. Only thing I want to remind you that maybe you might forget. What does this mean? What does that?
Multiplication.
It means multiply. So make sure when you put it in the calculator that you put multiply button. Use the multiply button.
Miss, what
Okay.
about the fraction thing? Do we keep it as fraction or is it divide? Do you put it for divide?
You can type this all the way in the calculator, exactly like this.
And it will give the same answer?
It will give the correct answer. Make sure you check it, yeah? But you have to be
Okay.
careful about how you type it. Sometimes with the fraction, it's better to do the top, write the answer, do the bottom, and write the answer. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, so after you put it inside, check it. You have time to check, so check. So put this in the calculator, write it. Put this in the calculator, write it. This is 8 plus 27, so going to be 35. 12 subtract 7, positive 5. Divide, you're going to get positive 7. So make sure you check it. But this question, you can use a calculator. It's multiple choice. So I said this one easy question. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And this should say question number 5. All right. What's next? We have 1.3. This is question number 9. So question number 9 about reflexive. Anybody remember what is the meaning of reflexive?
Equal to itself.
Good. Equal to itself. It must be equal to itself. So if the wizard tells you to make this reflexive, you will put positive 3 equal what?
Positive 3.
Positive 3. If they tell you x equal, you will put what?
X.
Okay. They want to know if you understand the meaning of the word reflexive. It means something should be equal to itself. The next word we have is symmetric. What is the meaning of symmetric?
Reverse order.
Very good. We need to reverse the order. So if they give you x equal 3, positive 3, and they said make it reflexive, what should you write?
X.
Again?
3 equal x.
Positive 3 equal x. If they give you a equaled b, and they wanted symmetric, what should you do?
B
equal A.
Okay, so it means to reverse the order. Same like this Uno card, right? Remember the card. When you play it, the game, if this person is first and this person is next, and he plays the reverse card, it goes back to this person, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So it's same like this card. You have to reverse the order. Then we have transitive.
Skip the middle.
Skip the middle.
Good. Skip the middle. So he starts. He plays the skip card. Who's next?
The girl.
Skip this one. And then her turn, right?
Yes.
Okay. She plays the skip, or what you guys call it, block. Okay, she plays the block. Whose turn is next?
The orange hair girl, because she skipped the orange, the brown, sorry, brown hair.
Yeah,
not
so
the
skip
orange.
this one, and then it is her turn, right? Transitive is skip the middle, same like this Uno card. So when you see this in the exam, think about Uno. Here, we have 1 plus 2 equal 3. And 3 equal 7 minus 4. We have to skip the middle. We want to skip the thing they have the same. So we're going to write 1 plus 2 is equal to 7 minus 4. This is how you skip the middle. You guys understand what I mean?
Yes.
So skip what they have the same, skip the middle. So how is the wizarda going to ask you? Maybe this one, give you this. It says 13 plus 25 equal 38. 38 equal 13 plus 25. What is the correct vocabulary word?
See?
Is it, you skipped something? Did something delete?
B.
Right? What is the meaning of reflexive?
Equal to itself.
Reverse order.
So reflexive is equal. Something here is the same as something here. It's not the same both sides, right? So not reflexive. Transitive. It means that you have to skip and delete something. You started with this one. And you also have this one. They didn't delete anything. It's still the same numbers. So this one, what's correct? Symmetric. What did we do? We reversed the order. The 38 is here. And then we put it on this side in the next one. So I'll write it here. Maybe it's more clear. 38 equal 13 plus 25. It reversed the order. Put this one here and put this one there. Try again. What's this one? Equal to itself, reverse order, or skip the middle?
Equal to self.
Equal to itself. So we write reflexive. It is the same on both sides. Here, equal to itself, reverse the order, or skip the middle.
Reflexive.
Symmetric.
Reflexive. Good. It's equal to itself. Same thing, both sides. Here, one of them says 36 equal to 17 plus 19. Then 17 plus 19 equal 36.
Symmetric.
Symmetric.
Symmetric. Reverse order, right? This 36, we moved it to this side. And 17 plus 19, we move it to another side. So we've reversed the order. Symmetric. They could also ask you this way. They want reflexive. So what should be in the blank?
Y subtract 21.
Why subtract 21? Because reflexive means equal to itself. This one, they want transitive. What is the meaning of transitive?
Skip the middle.
Skip the middle.
Skip the middle. So we're going to skip and delete.
Equal Z.
So we're going to skip that and delete it. Take this one, make it equal to that one. So correct, should be Z. Try again. They want transitive. What is the meaning of transitive?
Skip the middle.
Skip the middle. So what are we going to skip?
Skip the positive 42 and 10.
Okay, so we're going to skip it and delete it. So it should be equal to what?
Positive 52.
Only that. This one, they want reflexive. What is reflexive?
Equal to itself.
Equal itself. Positive and 2m. Subtract 1.
None. That's it. So they gave you some questions there. I put it for you to check. Is it reflexive, symmetric, or transitive? So make sure you try it. That's number 1, 2, 3, and 4 are same. They want to know what is the vocab name. Then another one, they want you to fill the blank. They want symmetric property. How should you make it symmetric? Number 6, they wanted transitive property. So what should be in the blank? Only that. This question number 9, I think it's pretty easy. What about you?
Easy, miss.
Easy.
Yeah. So I think it's okay. Next, we have question number 16 is from lesson 1.2. So for this one, you need your math action words. So remember, this is the first thing we did in my math class, the math action words. What is the words that mean add, subtract, multiply, and divide? So these are all add words. These are subtract words. These are for multiply. This is for divide. And this one means the answer. So remember when they say some word like this, evaluate, solve, calculate, simplify, they want you to get the answer. Here are words that mean equal. And remember the turnaround words. We have 3 turnaround words. More than, less than, and from. So be very careful in the exam if they use the turnaround word. They're trying to trick you. So make sure you tell them that you are smarter than them. You know their tricks. You see them. If it says more than, less than, or from, you have to change the place of the number. Also, you have to remember your parentheses words. The quantity of means to put parentheses. The sum of means to put parentheses. The difference of means to put parentheses. The product of means to put parentheses. The quotient of means to put parentheses. Okay, so if it's with of and some, parentheses. If the of is alone without anything, okay, means multiply. So be careful about the parentheses word. And your exponent. We have x squared, and I didn't put it in the slide, but you also have another one. We have x to the power of 3 We call it x cubed. They have special name. 2 is squared and 3 is cubed. So remember, if they use the word squared or cubed, you should put exponent. Either, if not, they're going to have the 4th power or 5th power, something like that. But squared and cubed are special names. Squared for 2, cubed for 3. All right? Anybody remember what is the meaning of numerical?
Numbers.
Good. Anybody know verbal?
Letters.
Words. And algebraic?
Any letter.
Well, letters and numbers, right? So this question, write an algebraic expression for the verbal expression. They want you to take the words, make it letters and numbers. To start, make sure you highlight your variable. So our variable is n. After you find your variable, you need some action words. So what action words do you see?
Increased.
Before increase, you see anything?
Cupid.
Cubed. What is the meaning of cubed?
By 3.
Exponents 3. Good. Then you said increased. What is the meaning of increased?
Add.
Add. Then we have 5. So when you write it down, should be n to the power of 3 plus 5. Just that. Everybody remember how to make these?
Yes.
Try another one. Numerical means
Numbers.
verbal,
Words.
algebraic,
Any letter.
Any letter.
the letters, right? Letters and numbers. So our variable, what's the variable in this sentence?
Y.
Y. Good. Now we need some action words.
Times.
Times. What does it mean?
Multiply.
Multiply.
Plus.
Before. We have the
Quantity.
quantity. What is the meaning of quantity?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. Good. What else do you have?
Plus.
Plus. Putting what?
Add.
Add. And the 11, keep it.
Down.
So put the 2 and the 11 down. In grade 9, do we use this symbol for multiply?
No.
No.
Not at all. We're using the circle, okay? Small circle here. What's a better way to write the answer? You're going to see with the Vizara. Like this, without the multiplying. The 2 will be touching the parentheses. Anytime the 2 touching the parentheses, okay, it means multiply. Everybody's okay about it?
Yes.
Okay. Try another one. Numerical means numbers, verbal,
Word.
algebraic,
Any letter.
the letters. What's our variable?
Number.
Yeah, in this sentence, what's the variable?
10.
The 10? Variable.
Variable is F.
Yeah,
Less.
F.
Oh.
What's our action words?
Less than.
Less than. What's the meaning of less than?
Minus flip.
Means subtract. And what else?
Product of.
Less than? What's the less than means subtract, and what else?
They're around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
This one is a turnaround word. Okay. What else do you have in your sentence? Action
The
word.
product of.
The
Product
of
of. What's the
parentheses.
meaning of product of?
Multiply.
Multiply and
I don't know.
Parentheses.
parentheses. Parentheses and multiply. Good. We have the number 10. We have the number 7. And we have the F. So how does it look? Like this. But remember, it said less than. Than is a turnaround word. Aisha, what do you mean by turnaround word? The 10, it have to move.
Miss, but why we didn't put the parentheses?
Sometimes the parentheses, it needs more things inside. So it needs 7F plus 2 to keep it. You need understand what I mean? You need more things like 7F
Yes.
plus some more, and then they will keep it. But sometimes they keep it, sometimes they take it. Just depends. But the turnaround, the 10 and the 7F, they have to change place. So the correct answer should be this one, 7F subtract 10. The Wizara will put the answer 10 subtract 7F and 7F subtract 10. So you have to pay attention about if you have turnaround word. They are trying to trick you, but you have to tell them you are smarter than them. You can see their tricks. So don't fall for their tricks. You know better that than means to turn around. So make sure you change the place of those numbers. Everybody understand about turnaround?
Yes.
How many turnaround words? 3. Less than, more than, from. Okay? If Miss Aisha was writing the exam, I would give you a sentence with turnaround word. So make sure you remember that one. This one, what we can do? What's the variable this time?
P.
P. What's our action words?
Product.
Product.
Product. Product what?
Product of.
Product of. What's the meaning of product of?
Multiply and parentheses.
So put parentheses and multiply. So we have P multiplied by 6. Remember in grade 9, we do not use this one. We use the circle or parentheses. But remember the best answer, the number should be first. 6P. You guys okay about it?
Yes.
Yes.
Here, what's your variable?
R.
R. What's some action words?
Minus.
Minus means
Subtract.
subtract. Something else? Yeah, you guys don't like that word. Quotient of. Anybody know quotient of?
Divide.
Divide and
No,
Parentheses.
parentheses. Parentheses and divide. Good. So like this. Do we use this symbol for divide in grade 9?
No.
No,
No.
what should we put?
R over 7.
Fraction bar. Good.
fraction.
So 1 subtract R divide 7. I think this is the last one. What's your variable?
D.
D. What action do you see?
Increased.
Increased by.
Increase by means what?
Add.
Add. What else?
The product of.
Product of means?
Multiply and parentheses.
Parentheses and multiply. Good. So we get to this one. How is the wizard going to write it with this multiply? Going to be together, like the green. They will delete this multiply and put it positive 3D. Everybody's okay? So
Yes.
that's question number 16. I think you can do it. Write an algebraic expression for each verbal expression. So same like the other ones, try to write it yourself. I'm going to send you the answer key so you can also try to check your work, okay? If you're getting stuck on something, you can ask me. Monday is a good day to come to ask me, okay?
Yes.
So this was question number 16. I think it's going to be an easy question. Don't forget to check on your paper. Do you need more practice or do you need to study it again? This is for you to make the questions you need to study the most so you can divide your time correctly. You want to spend more time on the things that you need to practice and study again. If the things that you know, okay, you don't have to worry about it. It will be less things for you to study. Last question for module 1. Question number 17 is about lesson 1.4. This one is about distributive property. So what is distributive property? It means to multiply. What are we going to do? Multiply the outside number with each term inside the parentheses. So we've been doing this a lot in class, right? So what do the things I want to remind you? Pay attention to if the number is positive or negative. The positive numbers, we make them 2 ways. It have plus here on the left side, or it has nothing here in the left side. It must have plus or it has nothing. It means the number is positive. Also, about the negative number. If you have minus here on the left, it means negative. If you have minus here on the left, it means negative. So that's the first thing you need to know if the number is positive or if the number is negative. Okay? The second thing you have to remember about is multiplying. A positive times a positive should be a positive answer. A negative times a negative should be a positive answer. If you have one positive and one negative, the answer should be negative. You have to be very careful in the exam when you're multiplying. So here, this is positive, multiply a positive, the answer positive. This positive, multiply a positive. Okay, we have to put plus here. When you have a negative, multiply a positive. Okay, you're getting negative. When you have a negative, multiply a negative, you have to put plus here. Same again. A negative, multiply a positive, you put a negative. This is a negative, multiply the positive, should give you negative. And the last one, a positive, multiply a positive, okay, getting positive. And a positive, multiply a negative, giving you a negative. So be careful what you type in the calculator so you take the correct answer. Everybody okay about multiplying?
Yes.
All right. So we know what to do. What's the number to distribute? What number are we going to multiply?
4 by
Multiply
5x.
5x.
Positive 4. So positive 4 with positive 5x. And then positive 4 with what?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. What's positive 4 to multiply positive 5x?
Positive 20x.
20x.
Positive 20x. A positive 4 to multiply a negative 7.
Negative 27.
Close.
Positive 27.
Close. Well, far, I guess now. Not so close. Use the calculator, huh? Check your calculator.
Negative 27. 28.
Okay, yeah, 28. The way you said it made me think I didn't know. Yeah, negative 28. Here, I have plus and I have minus. I'm writing both. I have a plus and I have a negative. Do I write both in my final answer?
No.
No. What should be the final answer?
Negative.
So what? Tell me the final answer all the way.
Negative
20x,
8. Negative 8x.
not negative 8. You can add, these are like terms?
No, no.
No. So what?
It's like this.
So what is the answer?
Miss will be the
Positive
same.
20x plus negative 28.
We don't want plus negative 28, no.
Negative 8.
Well, it's 28. It's not negative 8. This has x. This does not have x. It's not allowed to add. Should be this. Yes?
Miss, I said.
Somebody said plus negative. I don't know. So should be 20x, subtract 28. If this number is negative, we put subtract. If this number is positive, we put plus. Yes or no?
Miss, if there is no minus, we add yes.
We put plus. Try again. What's the number we are distributing?
7 times positive 3w.
Good. So positive 7 with positive 3w. Then
Positive 7 times negative 5.
positive 7 times negative 5. Okay. What's positive 7 times positive 3w?
Positive 21w.
Fine. What's positive 7 multiply negative 5?
Negative 35.
Fine. You can add these again?
No,
No. Why?
because it's
the same
unlike terms.
This one have w, this one does not. You cannot add any more. So what is the final answer?
Positive 21w minus 35.
Like this. Try again. What's the number we're going to distribute?
5.
5 multiply negative 3.
I don't know 5.
Positive 5 times
Positive
negative 3.
Okay. I think I'm going to start in the far side. So positive 5 multiply what?
2g squared.
Positive 2g squared. Then
Multiply
Positive 5
90.
multiply 9g.
positive 9g. Then
Positive 5 multiply 2
Negative
squared.
3.
negative 3. Everybody okay? Now we want the answer. Positive 5 multiply positive 2g squared.
Positive 20g.
Try again.
Positive 10g. لا 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 دقيقة ما أدري.
Close.
positive 10g squared 2.
Okay, positive 10g squared. Done. The next one. Positive 5 multiply positive 9g.
Positive 45.
I don't know it.
Positive 45g.
Oh, okay, thank you. I know it. The next one. Positive 5 multiply negative 3.
Negative 15.
Fine. Can you add again?
No.
No. Why?
Because it is
Different
It's because
variables.
we have a minus. We
No,
cannot add.
not because you have a minus.
Unlike terms.
They are unlike terms. This one have g squared. This one has g.
G.
This one has nothing.
Nothing.
They are not like. They are unlike terms. So what should be your final answer?
Positive 10g squared plus 45g plus لا negative 15.
Fine. This. Try again.
Negative 6 times r, negative 6 times positive 3g, negative 6 times 1t, negative 1t.
Fine. Everybody okay about that?
yes.
Negative 6 multiply positive 1r.
Negative 6r.
Fine. Negative 6 multiply positive 3g.
Negative 18g.
Fine. Negative 6 multiply negative 1t.
Negative 6t.
No.
6 positive 6t.
Yes. Make sure you guys put it in the calculator, okay? To check yourself. Can you add again?
No.
No. Why?
Because
Unlike
unlike
terms.
Not like terms.
Unlike terms. This one has R, this one has G, this one has T. They are not like terms. So what is your final answer?
Negative 6r, شو اسمه negative 18g plus 6t.
Fine. Finish. So these are the questions they put in the workbook. You can do it?
Yes.
Yes. Easy peasy, right?
Yes.
Okay. I put this question medium. Depends on if they have 2 or 3 numbers inside the parentheses. Depends on that. But that's question 17. Make sure you check. Do you need to practice again or practice more practice or study it again?